Why am I an advocate for trying to save this building? Number one, it's historic. Number two, it is a gateway into the community. Number three, I think we have a perfect reuse for this building that will incorporate a lot of the reasons for which it was built. And lastly, but certainly not least, it's doable. It's difficult, but just with a little bit of imagination, I think you can see the potential that this building has to come back to life.
We've worked closely with Historic Macon so far to kind of imagine what this space might be used for our programming with the Cooperative Extension Office.
So this would potentially be office spaces and conference rooms on both sides. History of this room is amazing. Just the windows, and I mean, if you look back at the old mill recreation centers, I think if these walls could talk, it's a good fit for what Extension does today.
Now, this is where we envision a teaching kitchen, a full commercial kitchen. Right now, we do a lot of preparing, like for instance, for our lunch and learns that they mentioned, and we're doing it in a very tight space. But if we had a full-on teacher kitchen, people could actually see what we're doing, mixing. A teaching kitchen, and that's where you have the mirror above you. They can see what I'm putting into the pot. And sometimes you have monitors on either side, but you also have classroom seating here.
If we had a space this big, instead of having to go to other community partners to do landscape training, serve safe trainings, 4-H awards banquets, we would have a home base to do these trainings. The front of the building would be for staff. There'd be a probably small conference room space that our staff would use. We would also welcome community partners in to utilize the space. There is such great green space outside. There's a space for a garden out back that we could do vegetable gardening, pollinator gardening. We could take our youth outside to do pacing and tree ID. There's a concrete patio right here behind us that we could do all kinds of hands-on training.
I feel like this public building investment is the last piece in a long-term investment that the city has made in the Bells Hill neighborhood. The one component we haven't provided for the neighborhood is a community use building. So to me, this is the ideal building that pulls together all this hard work.
8,000 cars drive by this building every day, and I promise they notice the tarp on the roof and the shutters falling off the front of the building. I think we all agree that this building is what we consider blighted. And thank you all for your investment in blighted properties in Macon over the years through SPLOST funds.
So for this year, we would propose that this be the blight project, because at the end of with the SPLOST, you remember the key is at the end of it has to be for public use.
Right. That's
so
what
this would definitely fall into that category.